Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best sideline chairs is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of equipment for any sports enthusiast, coach, or spectator, offering unparalleled comfort and convenience whether you're on the sidelines of a game, at an outdoor event, or simply enjoying a day at the park. These chairs are designed to provide a comfortable and supportive seating solution that can withstand various outdoor conditions, making them a reliable choice for anyone who spends time outdoors and needs a portable and durable seating option. Number 5. Best Choice Product Set of 2 Zero Gravity Lounge Chairs, Black. Experience unparalleled comfort with our Zero Gravity Lounge chairs. They smoothly glide into the perfect ergonomic position, adapting to your body's weight for a truly weightless feel. Take relaxation wherever you go. Their lightweight and foldable design makes them perfect for the park, beach, or any outdoor adventure. Stay connected and refreshed with the detachable tray. It features cup holders, a phone holder, and a tablet holder, keeping your essentials within easy reach. Built to last, these chairs offer a high weight capacity and flexible, low-wear fabric. Enjoy lasting quality and dependable comfort for years to come. Customize your comfort with the removable, padded headrest. Adjust it to your preference for an extra layer of personalized relaxation. Enjoy generous open dimensions for maximum comfort, and a compact folded size for easy storage and transport. They are designed for both relaxation and convenience. What we like. Experience ultimate relaxation with its smooth zero-gravity recline. It features a convenient detachable tray with multiple holders for your drinks and devices. If you're looking for a chair that offers supreme comfort and convenience for lounging by the pool or on your patio, this is the one. What people say. Easy to use, very comfortable, love the attachable tray for phone, drinks, book, etc. The steel mesh material of the chairs was also a major plus. It kept us cool on a hot summer day and was surprisingly comfortable to sit on. With a simple push back, we were able to lay completely flat and feel weightless. It was like floating on a cloud. Number 4. GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Camping Chair. Introducing the Freestyle Rocker from GCI Outdoor. It's your perfect companion for relaxing by the campfire or enjoying outdoor events. Enjoy smooth rocking on any surface, making it easy to unwind on all your adventures. It's designed for comfort and convenience wherever you go. This chair features a built-in beverage holder and solid armrests for ultimate convenience. Its great back support ensures you can relax for hours. Experience gentle rocking on any terrain thanks to its patented spring-action rocking technology. The sturdy steel frame supports up to 250 pounds, and the mesh backing provides airflow. Setting up and packing away is a breeze with its easy fold technology. You'll be ready to relax or move in no time. Built with a durable steel frame and weighing just 11.8 pounds, it's easy to carry. It supports up to 250 pounds and folds compactly for storage. What we like. Enjoy a gentle rocking motion on any terrain thanks to its innovative spring-action rocking technology. It comes with solid armrests and a built-in beverage holder for added convenience. If you love the idea of a relaxing rock while watching your kids' soccer games or enjoying your backyard, this chair is a perfect fit. What people say. Is sturdy, easy to set up and fold up. Would highly recommend it for comfort and ease of use. It rocks incredibly smooth and feels solid and well-made. There's no awkward jerking or tipping, just an easy, relaxing motion that makes you want to sit longer than you planned. Best outdoor chair we have ever had. It's wonderful to have a comfortable chair to set in and be able to rock, too. They are sturdy, the size is perfect, they are easy to carry, and the color is good. Number 3. Kijaro Dual Lock Folding Camp Chair, Maldives Blue. Experience ultimate stability with our unique locking feature. Simply lock it open to relax and enjoy your time outdoors. When you're ready to go, it folds up quickly for easy transport. Relax in comfort with our foldable chair, designed with no-sag seating and a breathable mesh back. The durable ripstop polyester ensures it stands up to the elements. Take this comfortable seating solution with you anywhere. It's perfect for tailgating, camping, or cheering on your favorite sports teams. Built for adults who love the outdoors, this heavy-duty chair supports up to 300 pounds. Its strong and durable construction lets you enjoy all your activities with confidence. This chair comes with thoughtful features to enhance your experience. Enjoy 2 cup holders, an organizer with pockets, and an attached carry strap with a convenient carry bag. What we like. This chair offers exceptional stability with its unique dual lock system, ensuring it stays securely in place. It features comfortable no-sag seating and a handy organizer with pockets for your essentials. If you need a reliable and comfortable chair for various outdoor activities like camping or sports events, and appreciate extra storage, this is a great choice. What people say. Sturdy. Large seat. Comfortable. Pretty colors. Fold up easy. Nice and wide, comfortable on the legs, back, arms. They are also super sturdy and relatively easy to fold and carry or stash in the car, although a smidge heavy. I'd rather have a little heavy chair than one I'm afraid might break when I sit in it. These chairs are easy to open close and very comfortable to sit in. The material is sturdy and comfortable to sit on in shorts or even a wet bikini. The 2 cup holders are big enough for a stainless thermal 12-ounce wine cup to fit, which is great. Any can, bottle or Yeti-type tumbler will fit too. There is a good-size miscellaneous bag pouch attached to the bottom of the seat on one side, which is great as it kind of hides whatever you stuck in there out of plain sight. Number 2. Amazon Basics Folding Camp Chair. Experience unparalleled comfort on your next outdoor adventure. This large folding chair is designed for relaxation, featuring a breathable mesh back to keep you cool. Never be far from your favorite beverage. It includes a convenient cooler pouch designed to hold up to 4 12-ounce cans, keeping them refreshingly cold. Enjoy your drink without worry. A built-in cup holder keeps your open beverages secure, while a handy side pocket stores your essentials like sunscreen and snacks. Rely on its robust construction for all your outdoor activities. The heavy-duty steel frame ensures dependable strength and stability, season after season. Taking it anywhere is a breeze. It comes with a convenient carrying bag equipped with a shoulder strap, making transport and storage simple and hassle-free. What we like. Stay refreshed with its integrated beverage cooler pouch that holds multiple cans, plus a convenient built-in cup holder. It's constructed with a heavy-duty steel frame for reliable strength. If you prioritize keeping your drinks cool and easily accessible while enjoying outdoor events, this chair is an excellent companion. What people say. It's nice and big, but it folds up easily. I like the cooler pouch in the arm. The chair is so well made and very comfortable to sit in. It's sturdy, and there is nothing I didn't like about it. I love the zippered closed insulated cooler bag that can hold 4 cans easily. And the drink holder. The color is vibrant, the material appears to be sturdy. The stitching is well done and the cooler in the arm is very nice. I also like the mesh on the back for cooling. Number 1. Alpha Camp Heavy Duty Camping Chair 500 pounds. Introducing a camping chair designed for ultimate stability and comfort. Its heavy-duty steel frame and reinforced construction can support up to 500 pounds, ensuring it won't collapse even under heavy use. Experience unparalleled comfort with its extra-wide seating area and fully padded backrest. This oversized design is perfect for big and tall adults, offering a relaxing experience akin to sitting on a sofa. Keep your beverages chilled and essentials close at hand. It features a built-in cooler bag, a convenient cup holder, and a side pocket for your phone or snacks. Set up and pack away in seconds with its simple foldable design. It comes with a durable carry bag, making it easy to transport wherever your adventures take you. Perfect for camping, fishing, tailgating, or simply relaxing outdoors. Made from high-grade, tear-resistant Oxford fabric, it's built to last for years of enjoyment. What we like. This chair is built for superior strength, supporting up to 500 pounds with its heavy-duty steel frame. It offers an extra-wide, fully padded seat for maximum comfort, and includes an integrated cooler bag. If you are a larger individual or simply seek the most robust and spacious seating option for camping, fishing, or any outdoor adventure, this is the ideal selection. What people say. Sturdy with cup holder and a storage pouch. The cup holder is big enough to hold a 33-ounce bottle of smart water, but not too big that your smaller drinks don't sit right in there. The pocket below the cup holder is nice to place snacks, or smaller things you want near you. The pocket on the left arm is great because it velcros and zips, and is a good size to hold snacks, plasticware, a 12-ounce can, or even a small handgun. This chair is extremely sturdy as well. Very sturdy. Should be great in any outdoor situation. Good storage options for cooled goods, phones or books. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.